I know say the economy no dey very friendly currently because e dey touch everybody, but you don ever realize say even in the hard economy, some people dey wey still dey buy house, some people dey wey still dey buy car, some people dey wey be say dem no dey complain at all because why? Dem get sure update. So why be say person go dey hide update for this hard economy? E no make sense. Well, I no too get much, but today I just wan tell una say if you get this app wey dem dey call WhatsApp, you come get this app wey dem dey call TikTok, or you dey currently watch this video for TikTok, then this update na for you, but I want make you pay at ten tion to the end of it. Now this update be say, you know say if you wan make money, it's either you render a service, alright, or you sell a product. Now even if you no get product to sell, you fit dey help other people sell their product, and anytime wey you sell, you go earn commission. That is, dem go pay you small thing from that sale wey you don make. This update sure, this update never catch till dem tell me in 2021. Now just in case, because no be everybody know how to sell, you dey understand? Just in case you wan learn how to sell, that is, you go dey sell other people digital product, I mean online courses, and anytime you sell, you go dey make huge commission, I mean 50% minimum. If you be that person, you wan learn how to sell, just comment for this video now, I want to learn how to sell. Now after that, make you check my profile, e get one WhatsApp link wey dey there. If you click on the WhatsApp link, e go carry you come my DM, where I go share you this update step by step, so that you too, even in this hard economy, you fit dey make money. So if this one interest you, just click the link again. No forget, click the link wey dey my profile. I go see you for WhatsApp.